Hi everyone, today we'll be learning how to play Electricity by Dua Lipa, and it sounds like this. What's up everybody, my name is Simone from Your Guitar Academy. In this electricity guitar lesson we'll be going through the structure, the chords and the techniques in order to play Electricity by Dua Lipa. Just before we get started guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see all the other guitar lessons that we upload here on YouTube for free on our channel. And also don't forget that you can find a link in the description here below. You will head to our website where you can find the full write-up of this lesson for free. So you will find all the chord diagrams and the strumming patterns, anything you need in order to follow this video lesson even better. Okay guys, so we are ready to start. Today we are playing the acoustic guitar in standard tuning with no capo needed. Let's go through the chords and the structure of this song. So the first two chords that we need in order to play the intro section are D minor, D minor 7 and C major. Now there are several ways to play these two chords. I will show you the two ways that I was playing. So the D minor 7 is played with the bar on the 5th fret and an A minor 7 shape with the 2nd and the 3rd fingers. Now this bar, it's very important that you play it only over 5 strings because we don't want the E string. So the E string is muted by the top part of your bar. This is your D minor 7. From here we move to C major. I know you can play the C major like this, that's obviously fine as well, so feel free to change these chord positions. The position that I was playing to stay as close as possible to the D minor 7 was a bar chord in A shape, so that means bar on the 3rd fret and then ring finger over 3 strings doing a mini bar on the 5th fret of the D, G and B strings. And this is my way to play the C major. So the two chords are D minor 7, C major. Now, I'm playing finger picking using my thumb, index, middle and ring fingers at the same time. So I'm playing the A, D, G and B strings on the D minor 7, same strings on the C. Now in like the number of strums that I'm playing are basically 1 on the D minor 7, 2 on the C and another one on the D minor 7. That's the whole intro. So the whole intro sounds like pam, 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 pam. That's it. Now D minor stays basically plays on the downbeat number 1, and then counting in 16ths you can find the C, the 2 strums of C on the 3rd 16th of the 3rd beat and on the 2nd 16th of the 4th beat. So if I count in 16ths slowly, it's going to be 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. So 3 E and A, 4 E and A. It's where you play the C, and then back to D. This time the D will take the whole bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just important that you play all these chords very short. So you need to release the pressure from the left hand very quickly, and it is going to be your staccato effect, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your intro. Now we do something similar in the first part of the verse. So the first part of the verse plays 1 strum on the D minor 7, 2 on the C, and then repeat. 1 strum on the D minor 7, 2 on the C, and then 1 strum on the F, 2 on the C, 1 strum on the F, 2 on the C. How am I playing the other two chords? So the F, I like to play with the thumb on the E string 1st fret, and then my 3rd, 4th, 2nd and 1st in this way. So I like to use my thumb in order to play the bass of the F. You can play a bar chord as well, that's absolutely fine. And then rather than going back to this C, I like to play this C in open position, C shape, just because it's way closer, way more comfortable coming from the F. So the strings that I play are always the same fingers. Only for the F, I move my thumb from the A to the E strings. That's it. So I'm playing on the F, E, D, G, and B strings. So if I play this first part of the verse, which is going to be twice, it's going to be pam, 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 pam. And again, C, C, D minor 7, C, C, F. C, C, F, C, C. The rhythm is the same. First stroke on the first downbeat, so downbeat number 1 of the first 16th. Then the next two on the 2nd chord are on the 3rd 16th of the 3rd beat and on the 2nd 16th of the 4th beat. This is the first part of the verse. The second part of the verse has same chords, but the rhythm is slightly harder. It's So how many strums am I playing? So I'm basically playing 2 strums on the first chord and 3 strums on the second chord. Now the D minor 7, which is the first chord, is going to have 1 strum on the downbeat number 1, first 16th of the first beat, another strum on the second beat, still first 16th, so 1 and 2. That's what I do. Now for the C, I'm still keeping the 2 strums that we saw before on the 3rd and 4th beat, but there is also an earlier strum on the 4th 16th of the second beat. You can find the strumming with the length of the chords in the link in the description here below. So if I count D and C very slowly with all of the 16ths, it's gonna sound like 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. There is a sort of syncopation. It's just important to stay groovy, to play very short chords like like that. It's also, you can help yourself just playing a strumming, following the arrows that you find in the link in the description with your thumb, like 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, and once that you get the rhythm, you play the strums much shorter, like and then, unless you want to keep playing the strumming with your thumb, you can just go to the finger picking pattern that I was showing you and play. Now, this rhythm that we just found out with 2 strums on the first chord and 3 strums on the second chord goes for the rest of the song. So you are going to find this on the second part of the verse that we are playing, on the chorus, on the bridge, anywhere, on the pre-chorus, anywhere. So let's play this second part of the verse all together. It's gonna be same on F and C. Okay, so same chords, D minor 7 C, D minor 7 C, F C, F C. Now let's move to the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus has only 2 chords, D minor 7 and A minor 7. They are both with the bar on the 5th fret, but when I play the A minor 7, it's a full bar over 6 strings, and I just need my ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string. This is my A minor 7. Now, as I said before on the F, when I move to A minor 7, the thumb moves on the E string because the bass is on the E string. So I'm going to play D minor 7, A minor 7, D minor 7, A minor 7, okay, 8 times D minor 7, A minor 7, okay, bam, 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 8 bars. Same rhythm, 2 strums, 3 strums, same timing. This is just to launch the chorus, basically. And once you've done this 8 times, you head to the chorus. In the chorus, we find 4 different chords to count. D minor 7, A minor 7, F, A minor 7. You can find your own position, guys. If you want to play the A minor 7 here in open strings, it's fine as well. If you want to play an easier way to play the F, like 3, 2, 1 here, it's fine as well. So feel free to change the positions. I'm just showing you the timing and the chords that you find in this part. So for the chorus, you play 4 times this D minor 7, A minor 7, F, A minor 7, but the rhythm is the same. 2 strums on D minor 7, 3 on A minor 7, 2 strums on F, 3 on A minor 7 as well. So always 2, 3, 2, 3. Always count 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Same rhythm that you find again once more here below. So the whole chorus goes like. Alright, so that's the entire chorus. And now we have one last section to learn, which is the bridge. For the bridge, we are going to play 2 bars of D minor 7, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, playing 4 strums on the D minor 7, like bam, 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 bam. So we don't play the last one in the 4th beat, 2nd 16th. We only play 1st 16th, 1st beat, first 16th second beat, fourth 16th second beat, third 16th third beat. So 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, bam, 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 bam. Okay, this takes 1 bar. We are going to play 2 bars of D minor 7. So and then we move for the next 2 bars, and we need 4 chords for the next 2 bars. One chord is B flat major. B flat major is 6th fret with a bar and then E shape, like this. Then A minor 7 that we played before, D minor 7 again, G major. G major, you can play, for example, bar on the 3rd and E shape, so same as B flat, just on the 3rd fret. Okay, now for each of these chords you're going to play 2 strums. So D minor 7 again. Okay, the 4 strums that we play are always the same as the D minor 7. So even if you play B flat, A minor 7, or then when you play D minor 7, G, it's still down, down, bam, bam. So basically 1 and up, 3 and up, 3 and up, 4 and up. So we don't play anything on the beat number 4. We only play the 4 strums that we said before when we were staying on the D minor 7. So if I go nice and slowly through the entire bridge, which takes 4 bars 4 times, so 16 bars, it's going to be 1, second time, third, fourth, last one. And then back to verse, back to chorus to finish the song. Guys, so this is all what you need. Literally, these are all the sections that you find in this song. All of the chord diagrams in the link in the description here below. The rhythm, to count them, in the link in the description here below as well. Remember to spend some time to actually find out and figure out how to count these chords. If you can count them, then you can play them. If you can't count them, it's very difficult that you can play them in time. So just make sure that you actually nail the rhythm first and count it slowly with the helping yourself with the arrows that you can find in the link in the description, and then try to play the chord changes like I was doing, and then you can go ahead and play along with the track. If you find yourself more comfortable with different shapes for the same chord, please feel free to change them at any time. Alright guys, so I hope that this lesson helped you. If it did, please leave us feedback in the comment section here below and smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more free guitar lessons here on YouTube. Alright guys, so thanks a lot for watching. I will see you next time.